Understanding balanced fertilizer, a key to thriving gardens. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that's crucial for gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike: balanced fertilizer. Whether you're a budding gardener or just curious about English terminology, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning and importance of balanced fertilizer together. A balanced fertilizer is a blend of nutrients essential for plant growth, typically presented in a ratio that is considered ideal for a wide range of plants. These fertilizers contain the three primary nutrients all plants need: nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K. The magic lies in the balance, a harmonious ratio often reflected on the packaging as numbers. For example, the 10th of October 10 or 20, indicating equal parts of each nutrient. This balance supports overall plant health, encouraging strong roots, vibrant growth, and fruitful blooms. Balanced fertilizers are like a well-rounded diet for plants. Just as humans need a variety of nutrients to thrive, plants also require a mix of nutrients to grow, flower, and produce fruit. Using a balanced fertilizer ensures that plants receive an even distribution of essential nutrients, which promotes vigorous growth by supplying the right amount of nitrogen for green, leafy expansion, encourages root development and flowering through phosphorus, enhances the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients with potassium, also boosting disease resistance. This one-size-fits-all approach makes balanced fertilizers an excellent choice for general garden use, especially when specific nutrient needs are unknown. Timing is crucial when applying balanced fertilizer. The best times are at the beginning of the growing season to kickstart growth and during the season to maintain health and productivity. However, it's essential to follow the instructions on the fertilizer package to avoid overfeeding, which can harm the plants. Application methods vary, including granules that can be sprinkled around the base of the plants and water-soluble powders or liquids that can be mixed with water and applied directly to the soil or leaves. The key is to ensure even distribution and to water the plants after applying granular fertilizers to help release the nutrients into the soil. We hope this exploration of balanced fertilizers has shed light on its pivotal role in gardening and plant care. Whether you're nurturing a garden or just love learning about the English language, understanding terms like these can enrich your knowledge and conversations. Remember, a little balance goes a long way, in fertilizers and in life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Happy gardening and happy learning!